Hello gorgeous, welcome to Hot For Me. Here I share my garden with you, different herbs and how I use them, food I make, easy and simple recipes, and how I'm training my puppy Cupcake. If you find something that is hot for you, use it, share it and enjoy it. Remember to hit the subscribe button. Hello and welcome back to my channel, Hot For Me. And this is part 3 of growing your own bush beans. If you remember, this is a very small space and I'm rearranging it to grow more beans. Yeah, I found some pieces of wire that I can use to make climbing beans, and I've got 2 tires that I'm filling up with soil and preparing it for beans to go up climbing, and let's see how that's gonna go. And I will keep you posted. As you can see, I've placed old newspapers in the bottom of the tires to keep the soil in. I've done this in the past and it's working just fine. If you have a better idea, please tell me in the comment box below. Also, this little square is very protected. It won't get much wind, and I assume, I may be wrong, even though these beans may not get a lot of direct sunlight, they will actually have a lot of heat that's being absorbed by the wood and the walls, keeping my plants hopefully safe at night. During frost, we don't get snow here, but you never know, so I'm quite happy to do it this way. If you know of another way, please let me know. And look who's there. That is Cupcake. That is Cupcake, the new puppy. Quite a busy little girl, let me tell you. She's been training on how to sit, and I will share it. But let me tell you, she's quite a handful. Okay, this is a garden soil, but I must admit it's got about 10 years of leaves into this, so it's actually fabulous. Once you've done your tire, press the soil into the tire, here in the sides, to really make it fill all the air pockets, and this is ready for planting. I'm just going to fill up another bucket of soil and come do it with this one. I've swept all the soil and pieces of softwood and grass into this, and I will add more soil over it, and then I'm going to put my seeds in, and I'm going to just add a little bit of dark soil with moist compost in it from just leaves only, no sand. and let's see what happens. I'm very excited to see these bean projects in such a small space. I hope you find a little space in your garden that you can use more useful. Use it for a better purpose. Thank you. I'll see you. What makes this convenient is that I'm watering the soil. So when I'm planting, it's already wet, and I can see if I need more soil, if that's enough. And Bob's your uncle, so it's quite convenient to have these containers of water here on the side. I've never used them like this. I think it's very cool. I think it's very cool. So I'll let this settle tomorrow and see, do I need to bring in more soil, or will I plant as is? Thank you once again for watching. Thank you for being part of my day and part of my life. May we all grow beautiful together, growing beautiful, healthy foods for ourselves. I'll see you with a beautiful recipe just now. Hello, gorgeous. I hope you are ready for a green bean on toast recipe that you've never ever tried before. So what you will need are 2 cups of chopped onion, 1 cup cooked rice, 2 cups of chopped green beans. Somehow, when you slice the green beans diagonally, it looks more beautiful, it tastes more delicious. Try it if you've never tried it before, but chop your beans any way you want. Black pepper to taste, salt to taste. I enjoy lots of pepper, so truly test it for yourself. Start with less, you can always add more. Then 4 fresh basil leaves chopped. If you don't have basil, alternatively use rocket, oregano, parsley, or whatever greens you have available to you. Onion greens are perfect and also easy to grow in your house on the kitchen sill. 1 medium-sized egg, 1 green chili. If you have very big chilies, just use half, or up to you, always up to your own taste buds, and some oil for frying the onions and the other ingredients. So let's get started. Fry the onions till soft and brown, the color of rich toffee, and the smell of the onion is filling the kitchen. Add the chopped green beans and fry with the onions for about 10 minutes over low heat, and add a bit of water if you think the ingredients are running dry. You need your onion and green bean to blend in flavor. A transfer of flavors are happening in that pan right now. Add the rice, black pepper, and chopped basil, or whatever green you chose, or mixture of green. You can even use dried herbs. And then once this is thoroughly mixed, add the egg, stir it with a quick stir of your hand, because this goes quick. You just want it to blend and sort of settle the meal, and for a minute or 2 until you see it settled over low heat, because you want these flavors to blend and merge. Your meal is done. Drizzle some olive oil or mayo over this delicate dish. Snip the green chili with a pair of kitchen scissors, because you don't sting your eyes when you use a pair of scissors. But if you are really good at cutting chili, do it your way. For me, I use a pair of scissors. And then enjoy your meal hot with friends or family or just by yourself. Serve it on toast. Use it as a filling for a butternut or a potato. Eat with a green salad or a beetroot salad. This is such a lovely meal. You can really turn it into something that you want for lunch, that you want for dinner, and if you make a double, you can have it for lunch and dinner. Thank you so much for sharing my days with me. Thank you for being part of Hot for Me, and I hope that you find something here that is hot for you and that you can enjoy and share. Take care. You may slip and you may slide. Let your smile be your inner guide.